Hello friends, welcome to the Complete Knowledge. India has increased its military power tremendously and has placed itself among the most powerful weapons in the world. India has prepared such a great weapon, hearing about which China and Pakistan are in panic. From land to sky, from mountain to field, attack from desert to Siachen, from fighter jet to drone. Conflict from submarine to tank, from helicopter to missile, creating panic in Pakistan. India has made another defense system on the lines of Russia S-400, which can selectively target enemy aircraft, missile, drone, and helicopter from land to sky. The special thing is that these great weapons will not require any big truck or launching post. Rather, just one soldier can launch this great weapon and create panic in the enemy camp. Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO has successfully tested this air defense shield on March 14. This defense system, built on the lines of Russia S-400, can destroy any fighter jet missile sent by the enemy in the air itself. This missile has been named as very short range defense system. It will attack the enemy at a speed of 1800 km per hour in just a few moments and will intercept its drone or missile in the air and destroy it. First, let us tell you the speciality of this missile due to which it is competing with Russia S-400. There is no need of any container or truck to launch the very short-range defense system. It can be easily fired by placing it on the shoulder of the soldier. During the test, it was fired from a portable launcher. This missile can be fired in the desert. It can also hit the mines present on the lake of at a temperature of 50 degree. Not only this, it can also hit the great accurately in China from mountains to plains. And the enemy can be destroying in the area set on the border of Pakistan. This means that this Indian defense system can fly it in any geographical condition. It is destructive and effective. It can be deployed on any border and can be easily carried on the shoulder. Now let us tell you other important things about this missile. Very short range and length of defense system is 6 to 7 feet. Its weight is 200 kilogram. Its range is from 250 m and to 6 kilometers. It has the power to go to up the 12,000 feet to attack the enemy in the sky. This is the reason why this ingredients S-400 of India is being considered a game changer in anti-aircraft warfare. This missile can be fired in the desert. It can also hit the mines present on the lake of at a temperature of 50 degrees. Not only this, it can be hit the target accurately in China from mountains to plains. And the enemy can be destroyed in the area set on the border of Pakistan. This means that this India defense system can fly it in any geographical conditions. This is the reason why this indigenous S-400 of India is being considered a game changer in anti-aircraft warfare. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.